Welcome you back to the farm. We're gonna start planting garlic, or getting ready to. So I've got my garlic here, and this ain't all of it, but I've got 2 pounds of music, called music garlic, and I don't know if you can see all that, but anyway, there's 2 pounds in here. I've got 1 pound of German white, and I'm gonna try to keep these separate if I can. It's kind of got like a little pink hue to it, so I don't know if that's good or bad. So what I'm gonna do is break these cloves apart and get prepped for tomorrow, because I don't know how long this is gonna take. And I hope I got enough plastic down there for this. We're just looking at it, I don't have to do. So anyway, let's start with the German, see if we can get it. A couple of clothes throw. Got a couple of different buckets here. This one came with 5 cloves, but they're big. Look how big they are. So these are German white, and I've got 2 buckets here. I was going to do this on the porch, but it's in the shade, and it's a little better out here in the sun. So let's see what we got. There we go. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Look. And once you get that first one, it's pretty easy. It smells like garlic. My hands are going to smell like garlic. So I got 1 pound of this, and like I said, there's 5 of them there. And now I don't think I'm going to plant this little one, so put it over here. Or this little one. I think you're only supposed to do the bigger ones to get the bigger bulbs. So. And hopefully we can just I'll save some if it does good, and then I won't have to buy any for the next year. That's my plan anyway. Yeah, once you get that first one going, then go pretty easy. I guess this is what they call a stem. There's so many words huge in that. Look at this one. I think they call these toes. I don't know if that's true or not, but alright, I'm gonna break these. I got 3 more of these to do. I'll go ahead and break these. I'm gonna keep them separate now. And then we'll look at the music. So I probably got, I don't know, 25 out of that 1 pound. So I had 5 cloves, so hopefully I should have 25 cloves of this next year, and it is strong. So what's that? Here's one I about screwed up. This one is the worst one. It wasn't as good as the others. I probably got about 30 of those. All right, let's look at this over here. Let's see what we got here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. I mean, look at this one. Good Lord. See how hard this is to break. Wow. Oh, that's 2. I think I screwed this one up. Gotcha. screwed that one little toe up. That's all right. All right, I'll get these broke up and we'll see how many we got. That's all right. All right, I got quite a few more in this one. I don't know if you can see down in there or not. Let me get over with the sun. Yeah, not as much as I thought it was going to be. I'll probably just plant 2 rows. I thought I might have to plant 3 in a row and, you know, put them pretty compact, but I don't think we'll be able to spread these out up through there. So we'll start that tomorrow. I'll have to figure out somehow to poke through there, and we'll plant them all by hand, because you gotta. Last year I used my standing plant and just bare dirt, but you're supposed to put them with the. We'll go over this tomorrow, but this little part goes up, and this is the root. This goes down, so you gotta put it in like this. I think last year we did some went in there sideways, and they still came up, but I don't think they got as big. I think they'll get bigger when you do that. So, all right, so we'll see y'all maybe in the morning about 10 or 11, and let the dew get burned off real good. And, feels pretty good right now. If I had my helper, I might go start. Well, I gotta go do my chores. So we're planting our garlic in this biodegradable mulch that we use in our main gardens, and I'm just kind of trying it. Last year we planted it in regular dirt and then didn't put straw, put hay over it, and it got really weedy by the time it got ready to harvest, and just kind of a mess. So I'm trying this one this way, a little different this year, and I've watched a couple people do it, planted in regular plastic. So this is biodegradable, and I got a video where we installed it and all that. I got several videos installing biodegradable. So that's our plan, and we'll see how it works out. So you can follow along with us, see how it does. Good morning. It's next day, and we're down here where we put the plastic in probably a month ago, or maybe even longer. I don't remember which. But we're going to start planting this garlic, and I'm going to start off with the German white. If you remember yesterday, I got two varieties, German white and music, and I ordered 3 pounds, 1 pound of German, 2 pounds of music, and I didn't know how much that was going to make, so I probably got, I don't know, 25 or 30 in this one. So I got my old tobacco stick, come from up at the old home place, and I'm gonna poke this in the plastic, and we'll do them side by side, and we're gonna plant this. So I don't know how far, but that worked pretty good. Yeah, that works pretty good. Let me try one, and I'll see how it does. Yeah, it's gonna work good. Yeah, it's gonna work real good. All right, so I'll show you planting these, and then I'm gonna poke all my holes, and I'll come back and plant. And or not all my holes, enough holes to do this. And I'm gonna go about a foot a piece, a foot apart. But you could go even like 8-10 inches, and I'm planning on doing that, but like I said, I didn't know how much I'd have here. All right, let's plant what we got here. So this is the root, and then you got a little thing that sticks up, and that's the top right here, right there. So last year we used our standing plant over there and didn't really pay no attention how they went in, and I think that's one reason we didn't have very good success last year. But you got to put them down like this. So, and really all you got to do is push it down. There's a hole there already, and pretty easy, really.
Hardest part's the bending over.
Hardest part's bending over for me. I'll probably get on my knees and do. Should be easier if I do that. Yeah. What was I at?
I don't think you put it, yeah, right there.
There's some big old cloves. I say the bigger the cloves, well, it's not a clove, is it? What do you call this? I think they call this a toe, right? And they said the bigger ones you got, the bigger.
There is something walking over there. Oh, it's the deer. I don't know if you can see
Sure
it.
is. That's a different one.
I kept hearing rattling over there. I can't get it. This won't zoom.
That's a bug.
I don't think that one was.
Yeah, I seen that one. There's one right there. I seen was a bug. It's like a 6-pointer. I was coming back from my dad's house just about 30 minutes ago, and I seen one up on the other field, my neighbor's field, and I drove up there and seen it was a 4-pointer. That right there was a 6-pointer.
Around this time last year, we was going to church and met one the wrong way, didn't we?
Yeah, that was an 8-pointer.
So I'm hoping we're going to be on the lookout.
Totaled their car.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll poke some more holes. This right here actually does really good. You can see what they used to do. They had what they call a knife, but it looks like a hatchet. So they stick it in there and drive it down, and they had a thing they put over it, and they'd cut the tobacco stalks and put them on there. You can see where they drove it down. This is probably, I know this is older than me.
See one right there. I'm gonna walk up. Can I walk over that one, see if I can see it?
That's a doe there.
Yeah. She just jumped over that fence. I seen her jump over it. I'm gonna walk that way.
All right, go ahead.
There she goes. There goes the male. See some tracks. Looks like they've been over through here. I can see him. Let me walk around. At least ain't going up that way like it. Y'all getting your winter hair, ain't you? Her eyes look almost blue.
Huh?
Her eyes look blue. Here, sweetie. Come here. Here. You better go over and eat.
I got this. I'm gonna count how many I got here. 43, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, that is. It's really good.
So that's a pound. I reckon, yeah, we'll have enough room, won't we?
I hope so.
I got 2 pounds left. So, and this is expensive now. This is like $20 a pound is what we had to pay for this. And that's the cheapest I could find. All right, we're going to go ahead and fast forward this and we'll come back and show you the end of it. We just finished, and the whole thing probably took 30 minutes. What do you think?
Probably.
Not counting little deer activity.
Yeah, I got distracted.
But I had 91 of the others, so that's 2 pounds. And I can't remember what I said here. 45, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
So that's about right. So about in the 40 per pound. Huh. Well, that's good to know. This is only our 2nd year growing. First year I just bought some on Amazon and it didn't turn out very well. This I actually bought from a garlic grower. It's actually a family farm in Pennsylvania that I got this from. They're not no big conglomerate or big grower. It's supposed to be like a family farm. So we'll grow this, and hopefully we'll save what we need next year for seed, and then we'll sell some of it or use some of it. So that's the plan anyway. All right, that's it. 30 minutes. I don't remember how long it took to do this. 5 minutes to put the plastic down, 30 minutes to plant. It really wasn't that hard. That's for 3 pounds. We stopped at the bucket and ran out right there. Let's walk up that way. So I definitely got room for another pound if I wanted to. So I might go online and see if I can find another pound, or I might not, I don't know. We'll talk about it. But if you had more, I could easily put 3 across here easy. But we just decided to do 2 rows. So anyway, all right, that's our, I guess this is our first crop of 2026. So this will be ready about June of next year. Lord willing, the creek don't rise. And we'll pull it up and see what it looks like. Hey, appreciate you watching. Have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll read all the comments, answer all the comments, answer all the emails. We'll be live Monday night. You can ask questions then. So anyway, so we got about $60 in, I think it's $20 a pound. That's shipping and everything. And the plastic, I don't know what we got in. It's just left over from the garden, so it ain't got that much. Now we'll have to throw a little fertilizer on it when next spring, when they come up and start growing good. We'll throw some fertilizer on them. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down here in the farm. Oh, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.